Hi, Becker. I received your question about scholarly sources and checking for ebook usage and ebook preferences in just scholarly journals. And so first, to answer your question about what type of source that is, typically those scholarly articles are written by scholars or professionals in the field, professionals who are experts in their particular area, and they're often published. And often it's also uh, goes through a peer review process. So those articles are called peer-reviewed articles. Peer review and scholarly isn't 100% the same thing, but they're usually interchangeable terms. So some databases in our library contain only scholarly journals, and they're exclusive like that. And then other databases contain a mixture of both the scholarly journals and other popular sources like popular magazines or newspapers or government documents or things like that. So that's why your instructor is telling you to narrow your search to only the scholarly journals. So we can look in our library homepage under articles and databases. You can select what databases you're actually wanting to use. And from there, I mean, typically we do the whole EBSCO thing, EBSCOhost. And through EBSCOhost, which is a platform, there are several databases. And so I pulled this one up just to show you. If we did this, I would say, let's see, if we click on choose databases, there are so many. Academic Search Complete is super popular. And then we could select the library science related, library and information science related journals. I would say select like psych articles or psych info for this particular topic, looking up ebook usage. And then I'd look at like education related journals and see what comes up there. So Education Research Complete or ERIC would be good ones. And I've detailed this in my email for you too. But if you look just in those databases and we narrow our search to those, and then let's try ebook usage, just for the sake of simplicity. With no other parameters, it's going to look in all of those databases, and there are 39 results. But we can narrow it down, and I could have narrowed it down actually on the previous page, but we can click scholarly or peer-reviewed journals, and then that'll narrow our results down from 39 to 26. So now we know these are for sure going to be acceptable by your professor. And a lot of them talk about use in different countries, and some of them are the use as far as preference over print version. And you can scroll through these results and decide. Another database, though, that I think might be helpful for this particular topic would be JSTOR. And you can find that on our A through Z databases as well. If you clicked on J and scrolled down to JSTOR, journals and books. And this one, again, we can do ebook usage or ebook preference and see what comes up. And then of those, we have 435. Well, here we can narrow it down to just those that are coming from journals. This doesn't 100% guarantee that they're scholarly journals, but most of them are. And you can look through these types of results. This one gives you more results, 380. And what kind of usage? Are you looking at the usage or the preference? How ebooks are used? Are you asking for whether we prefer ebooks to print copy books? So that's another thing that you need to narrow down a little bit. And then anyway, you have different types of results based on how you search, play with the different terms, determine exactly what you're looking for. But if you narrow it down to just those journals and then just peer-reviewed journals, it'll continue to narrow your results and find specifically what you need. I hope this helps you. Please let me know if you have any other questions, and I'd be happy to try some different databases for you and see if we can make sure we have what you need. Thank you so much.